and I are putting together some magic egg pillows. Jax is so ready to get started. We have all kinds of different things that we're going to put into our magic pillows. I'm doing a little bit of a meal prep. So, Jax, can you say hi? Say hi, everybody. Wave. Hi, Jax says. So we're doing a meal prep to get hubby out the door in the mornings, to get the boys out the door in the mornings. And what I have here are my cups that we're going to fill. I have a base of organic oatmeal, stone ground. It's not the quick oats. Jax is already just dumping cheese in. So actually what I'm going to do is we're going to sprinkle. Jaxie, can you sprinkle a little bit of cheese into each one? Put some cheese in there. Good boy, good boy. I know. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, sprinkle. You guys are gonna love these egg cups. They're so fun once you get them cooked. Right here, look, come on. Cheese in the cup. You can make these any way you want them. You can add all kinds of different ingredients inside of your cups. But we have a huge dinner that's left over in our refrigerator, so I'm just gonna use all of our leftover dinner things as the base for our eggy pillows. Good job. Woo. We are being stalked upon by Mr. Blaze, who thinks, though it is April 30th, that we're going to color eggs again. Ah, it's raining oats over here. Okay, Jackson, can you put the ham in? Oh, let's put the ham in. That's enough, put the ham in. Blaze finally joined us. We missed our Blaze. The ham goes in. Right, Arch, pulls. Let's switch cups out. Okay, put the ham in. Mommy saved a special job just for Blaze. Okay, now, this is my secret one. Now, we're gonna use our leftover broccoli and cheese. So I have broccoli and cheese casserole. Blaze says, but this is delicious and he knows that he loves it. So what I'm doing is, wait a minute, Jax, I'm not ready. So what I'm doing is I just warmed it up again to get the cheese flowing, and I actually upped the veggie count and I added in some more kale because the boys had really put a number on this one. We don't really have much left over. So, Jaxie, we're gonna spoon some more in to our cups. Broccoli, cheese, kale. This casserole is delicious and it's very healthy. If you guys are on keto, this is a perfect one for you. It's I'm not on keto, but it just happens to be a recipe that really flows well with keto. So I was going to top them off with cheese, but Jax went ahead and beat me to it and he went and put the cheese in. So we got our veggies in our cups. Is that good? Yeah, is that good stuff? Okay, so now that we have our ingredients in our cup, here comes the fun part that Jax could not wait to get started on, our eggs. So I have 8 eggs. I have a job for you. Can you pour in a dash of milk? I'll tell you when to stop. So you're gonna add in a half a cup of milk. Ready? Okay, I'm sorry, I forgot what you could stir. 8 eggs, half a cup of milk. I have organic whole milk, any sort of milk. This one's a full one, so I'm gonna help muscle me now. Have this and it's mixed up. Next we're going to pour it all into our cups.
Yeah, hurry back. Oh, okay, Jax says something. Okay, so we're gonna pour it in. Ooh, who's gonna do the salt and pepper? Blaze, would you like to do the pepper? Jax can do the salt. Okay. Good job. Okay. Next up,
For assembly line. Pour it in. Okay, Earth. Zip them up. Jaxie, we're gonna need to put some more eggies in here. Jax, can you pour the milk in? Good job, Jax. Good job. Okay. never been done before, a dessert eggy pillow. And Jax is clearly not happy about it. So we're gonna pour the eggies in, and then Lacey's gonna pour in the secret ingredient. Secret ingredient. Here we go, the eggies. Good job. Okay, all done. All right, next up, Jax, you can pour in the sprinkle with your fingers. Sprinkle with your fingers. Okay, so our secret ingredient for our dessert egg pillows is raisins, turbinado sugar, and cinnamon. Okay, that's good job. And Jax is going to pour in the oats. Can you stir it all up? Good. All done. Okay, you got the oats, Jax? Okay. Stir, stir, stir. Good job, kids. Look, Jax, here they go. Looky here. Say bye. Bye, bye. Jax, can you give them a thumbs up? Show everybody your eggy muscles. Okay, we're back. So we're going to boil our water. Okay, so this is the job for the adults. The water is clearly boiling. So I have my cute little eggy bags. Aren't they awesome? So you can make them smaller, but this is about 1/4 of a sandwich baggie full. I have my diced ham, my broccoli and kale, my eggs, my milk, and my cheese in this bag. So you're gonna drop these in. You can put anything in your baggies. You can put potatoes, you can put quinoa, you know, sky's the limit on the ingredients that you can add into your eggy pillows. The magic egg pillows. Your mind's going to be blown. This is gonna be a big mama jamma. This is the daddy baggie. Okay, so here's our surprise that we're going to mix up the dessert breakfast here. It has seriously way less sugar than any other cereal. I added the turbinado sugar, which is a raw, really grainy sugar, but no fear. So the eggy pillows are done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna carefully pull them out of the hot pot of boiling water. I'm gonna set them on my plate here to let them cool off. So let's check in with Blaze and see how he's doing with his lunch. Blaze is enjoying the surprise recipe, the dessert recipe, right? Blaze, how is your eggy pillow?
Good.
Good. So does anyone else's children refuse to sit still when they eat? I don't know what to do. I've tried actually giving him a seatbelt sometimes. It drives me crazy. Okay, peace out, y'all. Happy lunchtime.
Hi, guys.
Okay, great news. Eggy pillows have been completely cooked. They have been romping like crazy on the couch. They're sweating. So, eggy pillows are cooked. I'm gonna pop this guy out of the baggie so that you can see him. But what's really great about these guys, I don't bake them enough or cook them enough. But you can freeze them straight in their baggies. Just wrap them up, stick them in the freezer, and pull them out to thaw for whenever you need them for breakfast. So, this guy was broccoli, kale, eggs, milk, and oats. Might be hot. So he's already cooked up. I'm gonna pop him out of the baggie so that you can see what he looks like. But if you were meal prepping like I am, you can actually freeze them straight in their baggies. Pop each individual baggie into a gallon-sized baggie. and then stick them in the freezer. Make sure that you let them cool off, obviously, before you put them into the gallon baggie. So I'm gonna pop him out so you can see what he looks like. A little bit here closer. Jax's artwork. Cool, huh? Here he comes. How cool is that? Ready to devour. You can even slice them up. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Have fun making your egg pillows.